Today we are going to see the non-homogeneous recurrence relation. If the sequence, the right hand side of the sequence is in the form of a power n, we can say that it is non-homogeneous recurrence relation. The given recurrence relation is this one is taken as equation number 1. Its associated homogeneous recurrence relation is when putting right hand side is equal to 0, we are taking only the left hand side and the right hand side is equal to 0 is called associated homogeneous recurrence relation. Here put a n plus 2 is equal to r power n plus 2. Replace a n plus 2 is equal to r power n plus 2. This minus 6 into r power n plus 1 plus 9 into r power n equal to 0. Take r power n outside, we get r square minus 6r plus 9, which is nothing but r square minus 6r plus 9 equal to 0, which is the characteristic equation. Now the roots of the equation is r square minus 3r minus 3r plus 9 equal to 0. Therefore r minus 3 whole square equal to 0. Therefore r equal to 3, comma 3. The roots are real and identical. Therefore the solution is an power x associated is denoted by an power x is equal to alpha 1 r1 power n plus alpha 2 n into r power n. Here r is repeated, therefore we can write it like this: alpha 1 3 power n plus alpha 2 into n into 3 power n, which is equal to alpha 1 plus n alpha 2 into 3 power n. This is an power h. This is the solution for the associated homogeneous recurrence relation. To find the particular solution, since 3 is a double root of the characteristic equation, we assume the particular solution is of the form an equal to a naught 2 power n plus a1 n square into 3 power n. This is the right hand side of the recurrence relation. Here the 3 is repeated 2 times, therefore we are putting n square into 3 power n, which is the particular solution. Now we have to find out a0 and a1 and substitute in an, we get the particular solution. Using this in equation number 1, using this particular solution in equation 1, we get, that is 1 implies a0 into equation 1 is an plus 2, that is an plus 2 is replaced by a0 into 2 power n plus 2 plus a1 into n is replaced by n plus 2 into whole square into 3 power n plus 2 plus minus 6 into here a0 2 power n plus 1 plus a into n plus 1 whole square into 3 power n plus 1. This is second term is over, plus 9 into a naught 2 power n plus a1 into n square into 3 power n. This is equal to, the whole thing is equal to 3 into 2 power n plus 7 into 3 power n, which is nothing but here a naught 2 power n into 2 square plus a1 here n plus 2 the square into 3 power n to 3 square minus 6 into a naught into 2 power n into 2 plus a1 n plus 1 whole square 3 power n into 3 plus 9 a naught 2 power n plus a1 n square into 3 power n. This is equal to 3 into 2 power n plus 7 into 3 power n. Here we are taking a naught 2 power n outside. What is the remaining 2 square? Here 2 square is 4 minus 6 into 2 is minus 12 plus 9 plus 9. Similarly plus a1 into plus a1 into 3 power n taken outside. a1 into 3 power n is taken a common, taken outside. We have the remaining, we have the n plus 2, that is 3 power n into a1 is remaining, means we have 3 square 9 into n plus 2 the square here plus 3 into n plus 1 whole square here a1 3 power n is taken outside plus n square, which is equal to 3 into 2 power n plus 7 into 3 power n. Therefore, a naught into 2 power n into, this is minus 12 plus 13 is 1 plus a1 3 power n into, when simplifying we get n square, a plus b whole square, n square into 9 n square plus 4 into 9 36 plus 2ab 4 into 9 36 n square 36 n plus here also a square 3 n square this is 3 into minus 6 minus 18 n square minus 18 plus 2ab 2 into minus 18 minus 36 n plus n square is equal to 3 into 2 power n plus 7 into 3 power n. This is a naught into 2 power n plus a1 3 power n into here 9 n square 36 here, this is plus 36 n minus 36 n. We have here this is 9 into n square, therefore plus 9 n square, here also plus 9 n square plus 9 n square, here plus 9 n square, here minus 18 9 n square, 36 minus 18 is 18 is equal to 3 into 2 power n plus 7 into 3 power n. Now equating like terms, this 2 power n, coefficient of 2 power n is a naught equal to 3 and coefficient of a1, that is 3 power n, is a1 into 18 equal to 7, therefore a1 equal to 7 by 18. Substituting the values in the particular solution. The particular solution is a n power p is equal to the particular solution is a naught into 2 power n plus a1 n square into 3 power n. Therefore, substituting here, we get a naught is equal to 3 into 2 power n, a1 equal to 7 by 18 n square into 3 power n. This is a n power p. This is a particular solution. The general solution is a n equal to a n power h. This is associated homogeneous recurrence relation solution. So it is a solution of particular solution. Therefore, adding these two, we get the associated solution is alpha 1 plus n into alpha 2 into 3 power n plus 2 power n into plus 3 into 2 power n 3 into 2 power n plus 7 by 18 n square into 3 power n is the general solution. Now, given a naught equal to 1 and a1 equal to 4, because the initial conditions are given, substituting the initial conditions in an, we get the values of alpha 1 and alpha 2, substituting in this general solution. Therefore, to find a naught, put n equal to 0 in the general solution. We get a0 is equal to alpha 1 plus n equal to 0 means 0 into 3 power 0 plus 3 into 2 power 0 plus 7 by 18. This is n square is 0. Therefore, a naught is equal to 1. This is alpha 1 into 3 power 0 is 1 plus 3 into 2 power 0 is 1 plus 0. Therefore, 1 equal to alpha 1 plus 3. It implies alpha 1 equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore, alpha 1 equal to minus 2. And put n equal to 1, a1 equal to alpha 1 plus alpha 2, n equal to 1 into 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 7 by 18 into 3 power 1. Therefore, a1 equal to 4, alpha 1 is equal to minus 2 plus alpha 2 into minus 3 plus 6 plus 21 by 18. Therefore, simplifying, we get alpha 2 is equal to 17 by 18. Now, substituting the alpha 1 and alpha 2 in equation number, substituting alpha 1 and alpha 2 in the required solution, in general solution, we get an equal to we have an equal to 5 by 18 n into 3 power n plus 7 by 18 n square into 3 power n. This is the general solution for the non-homogeneous recurrence relation.